Hey guys, Ed here, and today we have a 2018 Mazda 3, and in this quick video I would like to show you how to remove your air filter in this car. It's very simple, everyone can do this, and this is a basic maintenance you should perform from time to time. Let's pop the hood first. Move the latch to the right, like this. Raise it up, get a stand from here, and put the hood on a stand. So this right here is our air filter housing. Okay, the air filter is inside. Don't be afraid, you're not going to damage nothing. Everything is nice. So we have to open it. Okay, how do we open? We have these notches here. Just open and open. After that, we just raise up from here. Grab it somewhere here, and raise up, get it out of the way. Not too far, just much, so you could actually, as you can see, there's a filter. This is a filter right here, and we just grab it with our fingers and take it out. Here we go. Okay, this car has 15,000 miles on it only, and you could actually see the filter is getting worse. It's getting dirty, but still I wouldn't change it at this point. I would change it in another 10,000 miles. Again, it depends where you drive. If you drive on let's say gravel road, this thing gets dirtier faster. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. So just easy, 1 2 3, get it out. You can get a replacement one at the dealer. Well, that's going to be the priciest option. You can get aftermarket ones for 15, maybe $12. They're cheap. You can buy them online, anywhere. So yeah, once you have a new one, same way, get it out, open it, make sure this thing is always empty and clean. Okay, put the filter back in place like this, and wiggle the housing back in place. The thing is, over here you have notches. You make sure that those notches go inside. There are totally 3 notches. Okay, this looks good. Looks good. After you're done, just close it, and you are all set. So as you can see, it's a very simple procedure, and you know, mechanics charge money to do this, but why would you pay somebody? This is very simple. So guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.